statistic zone. So today this video is about a review, and the review is about growing capsules. So guys, I really wanted to try this one out, but as you all can see, we already unboxed it and we used one capsule, a yellow capsule, and we got a honeybee. We got it in Daiso, Japan. We did a vlog, right? So I'll give the link in the description to Daiso Japan vlog. If you didn't check it out, please do check it out. And first insect which we got is a honeybee because women really want to try it out. So we just tried it out, okay? And now we are going to try the rest of the capsules. And this is based on the insects theme. We have 12 insects. Like we have rhinoceros beetle, stag beetle, butterfly, cicada, bee, ladybug, dragonfly, snail, praying mantis, locust, spider and caterpillar. So first we got the bee. Now I really want to get a butterfly, and I pray to God not to get any duplicates. So let's begin. So guys, we have taken 6 capsules and the rest 5 capsules will be shown in another video. Okay, so now we are going to try this out. I and Ruben are going to take chances and do it one by one. So first I'm taking this red capsule. Also guys, for dissolving this capsule, we have to take lukewarm water and we have to put this capsule inside. I'm pretty sure that will work well because we have already tried this out. But it took a little bit of time. So guys, the plastic is melting, but to be honest, it's taking a lot of time. You can see the sponge is coming out, guys. I don't know which insect is this. Wait, something's coming out. Guys, I don't know which insect is this. I don't want to duplicate. And actually, we got honeybee first. So, I don't know, guys. So, guys, we have got rhinoceros beetle. Roman is the one who found it because I was really confused with stag beetle and rhinoceros beetle. But it is rhinoceros beetle. Okay guys, now let's see how it looks now. So guys, first I'm taking the sponge out. Now, like dry it with a towel. Okay guys, so this is the second insect which we got, which is a rhinoceros beetle. So happy that it's not a duplicate. Okay guys, so now we are gonna place it over here. Now we are proceeding to the the third capsule, which is going to be done by Ruben. So guys, Ruben now has broken the capsule, but it still needs to melt. So we have no idea what insect it is, but I feel like it is cicada. Okay, Ruben, what do you think it will be?
This.
Which one?
This one.
Which is one?
Spider.
Spider. Okay, let's see. Wait. Guys, none of our predictions. I think it is praying mantis.
No!
Praying mantis.
This one.
No, not praying mantis. It's
This is
locust.
not this.
Sorry, guys. Locust. I think it's locust. So, guys, it's confirmed that it is locust. Happy that we got a different one, or a duplicate again. Okay, Ruben is drying with a towel. Okay, Ruben, give it to me.
Okay.
So guys, it's a locust. Okay guys, it's locust. So this is the third insect, and so far no duplicates.
So guys, it's my turn and I've taken the yellow capsule. I don't know which insect it is, but I really want to get the butterfly one. I don't know why I really got the insect theme because I wanted the butterfly one, to be honest. And there were a lot of things, not only insects, like vegetables and fruits theme, animals theme, and insects theme. Three were there. The only disadvantage of this growing capsule is that it takes long time for the capsule to break and dissolve. Then only we can take the sponge out, that sponge insect. Now we have tried our best to break it, and yeah, I think it is I don't know, spider. Oh my gee, it's cicada. We got cicada, stag beetle, then we have honeybee, locust. Yeah, Allosaurus, rhinoceros beetle. Okay guys, now it's Ruben's turn. He has taken the blue capsule. We don't know what it is. So guys, we got the stag beetle. It's in a blue color. We got the two types of beetles. You can dry the sponge with the towel. It will absorb the water and it becomes normal and dry. So we got the stag beetle, and yeah, we got like 5 insects now. Now it's my turn. So it's a green capsule. I am doing my best to dissolve it, but
I'll tell you all trick how to submerge it faster and get the insects far from the capsule. Is that you can just press the capsule down and submerge in the water for 10 to 50 seconds, and it will break down eventually. If you want, you can press it harder, but if you put it for the first time, it won't break that fast. Yeah, it has to melt a little. Then if you put it submerged in the water, it will break.
So guys, now the capsule broke, and it is praying mantis. It's really nice. It's a green color. It's original color, and let's take a look at it. Have dried it with the towel, and this is how it looks, guys. I think it's pretty hard to cut the insect shape, the ears, the hands, and everything. So the praying mantis looks. So far we didn't get any duplicates. We got 6 insects. We got honeybee, cicada, rhinoceros beetle, stag beetle, praying mantis, and locust. Now this is the last capsule for the day, and I'm really hoping to get the butterfly one. So let's see which insect it's going to be. And Ruben is the one who's going to do it. It's his turn. So guys, it broke, and I'm thinking it's butterfly. Yeah, I think it's butterfly. OMG, it is dragonfly. Let's dry it and take a look. It's in red color sponge. It's dragonfly, and so far we got 7 insects. So I'll show you all one by one. We got 2 yellow, 2 reds, and 2 greens, and 1 blue. I'll show you one by one. First is praying mantis, rhinoceros beetle, stag beetle, locust, dragonfly, cicada, and honeybee. So we unboxed 7 insects, except 1 insect was unboxed already, that's honeybee.
So guys, the rest 5 capsules will be shown in another video, and Roman has bought the water, so we're just gonna soak all the sponge insects in it in the hope of that it will grow bigger. I don't know guys, but we'll just check it out. Let's fill the whole cup, So guys, we got 2 yellow insects, 2 green insects, and 2 red insects, but we didn't get another blue insect. So are you excited to know what was inside these 4-5 capsules? Please wait for it. And we have to cut the dragonfly. So we didn't get butterfly, snail, spider, ladybug, and caterpillar. So you all can wait for it, and I don't think it's going to grow any bigger. Anyway guys, it's the end of the video, and these all are the 7 insects for the day. 1 insect was already unboxed by us, that is honeybee. Other 6 are the rhinoceros beetle, locust, cicada, stag beetle, praying mantis, and dragonfly. If you all enjoyed this video, please do like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye, toodles!